There is a predator hiding in the darkness of space. It is massive, silent, and completely invisible. Astronomers call it a rogue black hole. Unlike normal stars that stay in their orbits, these monsters have been kicked out of their own galaxies by gravitational forces. Now, they wander freely through the universe at millions of miles per hour, hunting for fuel. They are the ghosts of the cosmos. You might think space is vast and empty, so we are safe. You are wrong. NASA estimates that there are over 100 million wandering black holes in the Milky Way galaxy alone. 100 million traps floating in the dark. Because they don't emit light, we cannot see them until it is too late. One of them could be entering our outer solar system right now, and we wouldn't know it. So how do we find something that is invisible? We look for distortions. When a black hole passes in front of a distant star, its gravity bends the light, acting like a giant lens. This is called gravitational microlensing. If you look at the sky and see the stars warping and dancing around a dark spot, run. That is the only warning you will get. What would happen if a rogue black hole came close to Earth? We wouldn't be sucked in immediately. First, we would feel the gravity. The delicate balance of our solar system would shatter. Jupiter would be ripped from its orbit. Asteroids from the Oort cloud would rain down on Earth like bullets. Our planet would be flung into deep space, turning into a frozen ball of ice, drifting in the void. But the worst scenario is if the black hole targets our sun first. It would begin to feed. You would look up and see our sun being torn apart, its gas being sucked into a dark vortex. The sky would turn black instantly. Without the sun's heat, life on Earth would end within days. We would freeze in total darkness, waiting for the end. If the black hole hits Earth directly, the end is terrifying. As Earth approaches the event horizon, gravity becomes so strong that it stretches matter into long, thin shapes. Scientists call this spaghettification. You, the buildings, and the entire planet would be stretched into a string of atoms before disappearing into the void forever. Nothing escapes, not even light. This is not science fiction. In 2022, the Hubble telescope detected a rogue black hole only 5,000 light years away. It is moving fast. The question isn't if a black hole will ever hit Earth. The question is, when? Look up at the night sky. The scariest thing isn't what you can see, it's what you can't. Most people think space is slow and calm. They are wrong. These rogue monsters travel at speeds exceeding 100,000 miles per hour. If a black hole was headed toward Earth, it wouldn't send a signal. There would be no sound, no flash of light. By the time we notice the planets shifting out of place, the trap would already be closed. We are like ants on a highway, hoping that no car decides to drive over our hill. Recent studies suggest there could be a missing link black hole closer than we ever imagined hidden right in our own galactic neighborhood. We haven't mapped even 1% of the dark objects in our galaxy. Space is not empty. It is a graveyard of dead stars, and some of those corpses are still hungry. Every second you spend watching this, a silent killer could be crossing the threshold of our gravitational reach.